spy on the Trump campaign.
Counselor to the president, Kellyanne Conway, went on CNN to try and clarify comments she made about microwaves that turn into cameras. She said that to the Bergen Record, but her clarification isn't stopping social media from having its fun. Mia Farrow tweeted, "Thanks to Kellyanne Conway, I now have a richer relationship with my microwave. It's teaching me Russian." This man stuck his head in the microwave and said, "Am I taking a selfie right?" Conway said she was speaking about surveillance in general and referring to the latest WikiLeaks release that detailed CIA surveillance techniques, including using televisions and phones to spy on people. She also told CNN that the president is pleased that the House and Senate Intelligence Committees have agreed with him that looking into wiretapping claims should be part of the investigation that already exists about Russia and the campaign.